Hello, welcome to Longze. I'm Kimmy. Good machine, good price, good service, good quality.
Hello everyone, welcome to Longze machine. I'm Jerry. Today we are loading an 132 kilowatt wood pellet machine to Indonesia. And this machine, you can see the capacity for this one is 1.5 to 2 ton power. This is the modernist wood pellet machine from Longze. And it has a large gearbox and also with a soft start. Electric control panel, and also the temperature indicator for the electric motors, and also this machine with an lubrication automatic pump, and the cyclone type dust collector. Also, besides this, we also fit with 6 meters belt here with 50 centimeters wide. So with this complete unit of lawn, you can use and dry wood sawdust to make about the 2 ton power wood pellet. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.